When it comes to closing the gap you're missing on your chest to target, I look at how well you're pivoting or even using your trail foot. Now, hang on for a sec, and I'll share how this all trickles all the way to your lead hand. Yes, the one that connects to the club. I'm sure you know how much the weight shifting happens from the ground up. So here's something I have learned and incorporated into my programs after working with golfers like you for over 18 years. Here it is. Reverse engineer your follow through using the feel versus real in slow motion drills. When my clients and I look at this, I'm able to isolate which of the swing core muscles are holding back their chest from turning all the way to target, and which ones have they learned a bad habit and that's making them only turn three-quarters of the turn of their follow through. No bueno. So now that you know that, or maybe I just reminded you of it, let me ask you, how much do you feel you get on your hip and butt muscles versus your ankle foot? Meaning, do you feel the muscles working or more like jittering to keep you upright? When it comes to drill, to fast track this process, love him or hate him, John Daly shared one of my favorite drills to recheck your muscle and joint integration into your swing sequence, and that's the one arm swing drill. Now, also keep in mind that our brains will unconsciously prevent us from falling over. Therefore, the more sturdy your body feels during the dancing sequence, the smoother and complete the follow through will be. So, in order for you not to fall off your swing through, your brain will tell your body not to fully complete the turn. And of course, this will likely continue to happen until you get your lead leg, butt muscles, and core stabilizers on your ribs stronger and mobile. And by adding this type of stretches mobility to your weekly warm up, you will at least ready up three of the seven swing core muscles. Plus, your brain will get accustomed to the weight shift and twist that comes with it. Are you picking up what I'm dropping? Like I said at the beginning, if we start with the end in mind, reverse engineering, detangling what is truly causing you not to complete the turn fully will surface. Listen, I know you know what to do. Like mentally, you got it. And you're technically sound until speed comes into play. That means that it's likely getting your body functionally fit for your swing to impact. And adding exercises like the Utida here, mobility and stretch into your swing core workouts will fast track your way to 100% complete that chest to target rotation. It is why it's considered the golfer's greatest stretch in the world inside the golf circles. If you're open to trying the other swing core muscles mobility stretch exercise that will get you to rotate more without messing up your sequence or your swing tempo, why don't you just come to my next mini workshop? All you gotta do is click on the link below and you'll get notified.